This is a flood sensor, attached to an RPZ backflow prevention device, and just a few simple steps away from sharing real-time alerts of excessive relief valve discharge. Your sensor is ready to go to work with the installation of an add-on connection kit. Undetected discharge events can lead to flooding, causing substantial property damage, water waste, and facility downtime. Flood sensors like this one are now a part of our Ames, Febco, and Watts backflow prevention assemblies. This powerful sensor can detect excessive relief valve discharge and share real-time alerts to keep you ahead of potential flooding. Once you've located your kit on watts.com, installed the activation module, and activated your sensor either through our synced-up platform or your existing building management system, you'll receive real-time alerts that keep you ahead of flooding and potential water damage. The sensors do not change the operation of the valve, so rest assured, it still meets all the necessary codes and certifications and does not interfere with the normal function of the backflow preventer. Smarter backflow, better protection. Find your kit at watts.com and activate today.